for a tree to flourish and grow, they need a proper nourishment. And the same applies in our lives. For us to grow and flourish, we need a proper guidance. And who is a better person than a teacher to provide this? On this Teachers' Day, I would like to thank all our wonderful teachers out there.
After our parents, they are the one who actually like to see our growth, success and future without expecting anything in return. Yes, I'm talking about our beloved teachers.
Thank you for helping me grow and for teaching me all that you've known, and most of all for loving me.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. A Guru is the one who works every day to make the student's life brighter. He plays a very important role in shaping the career of a student. Today, on the occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to thank my gurus. I also wish all the faculties of Hamstech Happy Teachers' Day.
A very happy Teachers' Day to all the mentors out there.
I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day, ma'am.
A very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers.
Happy Teachers' Day to all our respective faculties.
I wish all the teachers of Hamstech a very happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day.
I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day to all my faculty members.
Happy Teachers' Day.
I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.
I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day to all the Hamstech faculty.
Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day, all my teachers.
Happy Teachers' Day.